Hello everyone. If you had to summarize your needs for multimedia playback and control software in 2 words, what would it be? Are the easy operation, powerful features, smooth playback, or perhaps a beautiful interface? I'm sure everyone has their own answer. But no matter what the specific needs are, we all care about the software user-friendliness. In our previous video, we gave a brief introduction to our new media server, ET1s-G. Many clients are interested in learning more about our software. So today, let's have a look at the user-friendly multimedia playback control software that comes with the ET1s-G, the Compass FX1. Firstly, let's have a look at the most essential feature of multimedia playback and control software, the program Playback. The Compass FX1 makes it possible to complete playback in 3 steps. Step 1, add media. FX1 supports importing batch files and folders, allowing you to quickly add various multimedia files by drag and drop or manual import. Supported media formats include videos, images, web pages, streaming media, PowerPoints, and etc. Step 2, edit the program. After adding the program, you can quickly adjust the position and size of layers by dragging them in the editing area. For PowerPoint files, they can turn pages by one click. Additionally, by clicking the Media Properties options on the right side of a layer, you can freely customize its playback attributes. Step 3, play the program. Once the layer editing is complete, you can play or pause the program as needed. By right-clicking the program name, you can edit the playback order and enable automatic program transition. And that's it. 3 steps to complete the playback. Isn't it simple and practical? In addition to the basic playback function, the FX1 software also enables features such as split-screen playback, multiple device link management, and ultra-wide screen display with customized scaling, catering to various practical application scenarios.
Wait, I got a question. What if there's a need for remote playback control?
FX1 supports the Visual Intelligent Control Platform, enabling you to perform visualized operation anytime and anywhere via an iPad. Program scheduling and management are effortlessly at your fingertips. Full screen control is simpler than you can imagine. Whether for exhibition halls, meetings, or other application scenarios, the ET1s-G allows you to experience an incredibly simple and user-friendly software interface, making display control easier and more professional. Alright, that's all for today's sharing. If you have any questions or would like to know more, feel free to leave your comments. See you next time.